How to make money on Clickbank in 2024 promoting high ticket offers using free traffic. Okay, so right now I'm on Clickbank. If you don't know what Clickbank is a digital marketplace that has over thousands of digital products. You can promote their products and earn commissions. It's free to register, so go to clickbank.com, register your free account, and once you have registered, enter your details, and they will send you your first two paychecks straight to your address after 60-day refund period pass. And then after that, into the settings, you could set up your bank account details, and then you could start getting paid direct transfers. So I'm right now on clickbank.com, and I want to show you the categories that you have different kind of categories down here. You can see here, if I go to business and investment, then it has subcategories related to economics, debt, general management, marketing and sales, real estate, etc. Okay, and then there's one e-business and e-marketing, which is one of the most popular category where people are making multiple 6 and 7 figures. It's affiliate marketing, banners, blog marketing, general email marketing, video marketing, social media marketing. So I'm just going to click on this, and I'm going to go to affiliate marketing, which means promoting someone else's product. Okay, so if I scroll down, I could see that there are so many products down here. Like you can see the gravity score here. You could see how much commission I'm going to get paid on the right hand side. So every time if I promote this product and someone purchases the product through my link, I'm going to get paid $29.01. Okay, I could go down, and it's giving me so many products. This is another product. This looks like a high ticket product to me. Okay, it's $263.23 per sale. All right, $118, $704. We want to promote high ticket products. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to sort to results and sort results by average conversions, high to low. Okay, now this is going to spill out all the high ticket products. So the first product that's coming up is commission blueprint, $1,580.23 for every sale. Now, how are these high ticket commissions made? This is what happens is once you get your affiliate link, you're going to start driving traffic, and when you drive traffic, they are told to be registered to a webinar, because webinars convert very well with high ticket products. Okay, so they are registered to a webinar, and they watch the webinar, and the webinar does all the selling and telling for you, and that's how you make those high ticket commission. Now, before promoting any high ticket product, make sure you do one thing, and that is very important. That is clicking on the link to see the sales page, because if you don't do that, you're going to regret, you're going to waste your time. If you're doing a paid campaign, you're going to waste all your money. And here's why you need to click on the sales page to check it out. Watch this. Okay, look at this. This doesn't have a sales page. All right, this is directly to the order form. Okay, charging option 1 is 1997, option 2 is 747. No one's going to purchase this product until they don't know what they're purchasing, and until they don't see the sales video or the sales page. Okay, so this is very important that you should know. You should click on the link to make sure that the sales page is still active. Okay, so let's scroll down. This is another one. You probably know this guy is very popular. Okay, super affiliate John Crestani. He's all over the place. He's updated his training, his webinar, and his webinar does all the selling and telling for you. And if you just go here, if you promote this product and you make a sale, you're going to make $704. The gravity score is 5.14. Obviously it's going to be low because it's a high ticket product. You need to drive a bit more extra traffic, making sure that it's quality traffic as well. Okay, if you don't know what gravity score is, gravity score means how many successful affiliates are promoting this product in the last 30 days. Okay, so if I go to his free training workshop, you could see here, okay, that he's using a software called ClickFunnels, I guess, okay, to actually for his sales page and his webinar page. So you could come here. Okay, finally the beginner is fairly suitable, but our students used to generate matches. I want 10,000 plus the very first month. Okay, could get free training plus 2 bundles to 277. Today you will discover how I went from working as a human. Okay, taking it too far. All right, so if you want to they're going to watch this video, they're going to say they want to attend this webinar, and once they say that they want to attend this webinar, that's how you're going to make all those sales. Okay, Okay, let me just get this right. All right, so just say I wanted to promote this product, okay? Very simple. So first of all, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on promote button. I'm gonna put my nickname. This is gonna be my Clickbank ID, okay? And I said to you, I'm gonna, okay, let me just, now if I scroll down, what's gonna happen is, okay, I've got a couple of options down here. Check this out. I could drive traffic to the landing page, which I just showed you. I could drive traffic directly to the sales page. So let's just check this out. Okay. Oh, wait. I'll have to go back. I walked into my boss office to ask for a raise. Okay. Let's see what this is all about. He laughed at my face. All right. So you can see here the sales page is looking quite good. The only thing is that it doesn't have a. All right. So let's just scroll straight to the bottom and let's see. Okay, it's looking good. I want some more options, so let me just go back. Let me see what this is. Native ads. Okay, we're not into native ads, so let's just direct to video room. Let's just open this in a new tab and let's see what this is all about. Okay, so webinar replay, my simple three-step blueprint for creating 2,000 per week income streams. Okay, with all cash. Okay, this is looking quite good to me. Okay. All right, so this is looking very good. So let me see what other offers does he have. Order overview page, Facebook complaint registration page, Google complaint registration page, Quizlander, quiz results, payment options. Okay. Okay, so I'm just gonna go for this one. Okay. Just scroll down. All right. Let's just go back. Direct to video room. Okay. Create hop link. And boom, this is the link that you're going to get for your Clickbank affiliate. Now look at this link. If you go and paste this link on these different platforms, they're going to suspend your account immediately. They're going to say, what the flip is this? All right, so what you need to do, you need to shorten this link. There are a couple of ways to shorten this link. The first way is you use a website called tinyurl.com. Okay, this is a website where you can shorten this link. All right, the second way to shorten your link is you can go to Bitly. All right, I don't know if you've heard about Bitly. Bitly is a very good website where you can shorten your link and you could get started for free. And if you're not interested in these two websites, then you could just go to Google, all right, and you could just type in URL shortener, and there you go. The first result comes up. Here it is. You could shorten your URL here. Okay, the only downside to these URL shortener that's not popular is that if you shorten your URL, just imagine this website goes down anytime, you're gonna lose everything. Okay, so that's why you want to stick to something that's already working, that's already popular, and that is Bitly and tinyurl. So once you have your tiny URL shortened, now it's time to drive some traffic. Now, if you're getting a lot of value, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, subscribe button's there. Just click on it. It's not going to cost you any money. It's not even going to take you any time, but it will be appreciation from my side to encourage me to come up with some good content and good video. Okay, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like this video, and don't forget to share this video with the people you care. Okay, so I'm going to share two traffic sources where you can drive free traffic and start making sales from week one. Okay, first traffic source is Facebook. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to go to affiliate marketing. Okay, you want to go to affiliate marketing. Okay, I've got so many people, I've already joined some of these groups. Okay, so I'm just going to go back. Okay, I'm going to go to groups here, then I'm going to just type in affiliate marketing. Okay, because that's what it is. So you could see, look at this, 151,000 members, 196,000 members, 38,000 members, 116,000 members. All right. Now, if you're consistent with what you are doing, what I'm about to share with you, you're going to make thousands of dollars every single month doing this, and people are doing this and they are making money. So let me just visit this affiliate marketing, okay, and let me just scroll down and let's see what people have to offer down here. Okay, so check this out. Okay, if you scroll down, here's one: 20 best 2-tier affiliate programs for 2024. Okay, people are sharing. Let's talk about side hustle. What's your side hustle? Share and comment. Okay, let's welcome our new members. Okay, so that's one. You could join these affiliate networks. Okay, I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna go to another one. Let's go to this one. Let's see if this group by the only way to succeed online. Okay, let's see. All right. I wish to be an affiliate marketer, but I don't have 30K to purchase the course. I don't have 20K, not even 15K. All right, look at this, 90 comments. When was this posted? This was posted what, just over a month ago, just months ago, 1 month ago approximately. Yeah, if I scroll down, stop calling all online business scam. People are really earning from the internet. All right, 15 comments. Another way to increase your earning in your affiliate marketing, 12 comments. Okay, so this is how you're going to drive traffic. Okay, so this group has a lot of interaction. So check this out. This person posted, want to learn how to make 50K to 100K monthly even as a complete beginner? Let's connect. All right, so I'm just giving you some examples down here. All right, let's just scroll down. Let's go to this one with 116K members. Okay, let's see what this has to offer, if there's anyone doing something. Okay, I can't see anything good on this group for some reason. Let's just go down. Let's go to this one here. Okay, so you get the idea what you need to do, all right? So, okay, affiliate commissions are 40% per sale and 10% of the sub-affiliate sale are paid via PayPal every Friday. Start now. Check this out, 449 comments, 4 shares. Oh my word, when was this posted? Okay, this was posted approximately 2 years ago, but still not bad. Okay, still probably getting some traffic and interaction. All right, let's just keep scrolling. Let's see if we can find something. I need 34 minus user daily salary $80. Okay, so let's just go down. Let's see if we can find something better. I wish to be an affiliate. Okay, this is the same person. Check this out. When was this posted? This was posted a couple of months ago. 219 comments. Okay, affiliate marketing program, 118 comments. Okay, so you get the idea, all right? So what you need to do, okay, what you need to do is you need to share a post. Okay, so first of all, you need to join all these affiliate marketing groups. So once you have joined, you're going to write a post, something like, I just made $338 yesterday. Interested in learning how I done this? Watch my free video, comment below, and people are going to comment, and then you're going to send them a direct message. Now remember, you're only going to post something like this if you really did make that type of money. Okay, if you didn't, don't lie. Okay, you don't want to lie, you want to be very honest and you want to be truthful. If you didn't make any type of money like that, then you just want to write something like, interested in learning how to make $1,000 to $10,000 every single month using free traffic? Comment below, something like that. You get the idea. Okay, so you want to put a post just like that and people are going to start commenting, and then you're going to send all these people a direct message. In that direct message, you're going to write something like, hey, thanks for your interest, here's the link. Give your link and then explain what this will do for them. So for example, you say, in this training you're going to learn exactly how to go from 0 to $10,000 plus per month online promoting other people's product using free traffic. At the end of the video, you're also going to get some powerful bonuses that's going to change your life permanently. This is how you're going to attract all these customers, and this is how you're going to make money. Okay, this is 100% free traffic. The second free traffic source that you can use is called, okay, is it, yep, it's this one. Okay, this is another similar traffic source, a free traffic source, just like Facebook, that has millions and millions of people, and you could register for free on this free traffic source, and you could go to the groups and join all these groups and start pasting and posting these kind of posts. And then when everyone comments on your post, you're gonna send a direct message. Now, remember, the key to success is persistent. Consistently doing this will bring you the sale. If you're gonna do it for 1 day, 2 day, and then just start complaining, oh, this didn't work and this and that, this is not for you. Okay, this is for someone who has a never giving up attitude and willing to make this work, willing to be persistent every single day. Doing this couple of times, you're going to start seeing those results coming, start traffic coming, and you have a never giving up attitude. So these are the two best free traffic